Hi everyone, I am Vaibhav Bhatt and I am honored to present a project that aims to support and uplift our agriculture communities crop yield prediction portal using weather data. Let's begin with the core idea behind this project. The portal was designed with a clear mission to empower farmers through data-driven decision making using real-time location-specific weather insight in many rural and semi-urban areas of India and beyond. Small and medium-scale farmers lack access to the reliable and localized crop forecasting tools. The decisions often rely on guesswork or outdated information, leading to poor planning, reduced yield, and financial strain. Our solution addresses these challenges by offering a simple, intuitive, and a real-time platform that predicts crop yield based on the weather condition, giving farmers the insight they need to make informed choices. Here are the standout features for the portal. Real-time weather integration. We use the Open Weather Map API to fetch live weather updates. Rule-based yield estimation. A custom algorithm processes key weather variables like temperature, humidity, and rainfall to predict yield. Visual analysis. Using Chart.js, we present data in an interactive and visual engaging manner. Secure user access authentication ensure each user has a secure profile and access to the personal history. Responsive design. Built with the Tailwind CSS, the portal works smoothly across mobile, tablet, and desktop screens. Stable backend. This system is powered by PHP for backend logic and MySQL for structured data handling. Here's how the system works step by step. The user registers or logs into the portal. They input their location, state, and city. The portal retrieves live weather data for that region. One rule-based engine analyzes the weather condition. The predict field is displayed through clear interactive charts. For future enhancement for this project, machine learning integration to improve accuracy by analyzing long-term historical patterns. Multi-language support, especially for Indian regional language to enhance accessibility for rural users. Satellite-based insight for better understanding of soil health and real-time crop condition analysis. Here's a quick look at the tool and technology we have used. For front-end, we used HTML and Tailwind CSS. For visualization, we used JavaScript and Chart.js. For backend, we use PHP, and for database, we use MySQL. For data source, we use Open Weather Map API. These combinations ensure reliability, interactivity, and a great user experience. So to wrap it up, this portal is a practical tool for smarter modern farming. By combining real-time weather data, simple rule-based logic, and a clean user-friendly interface, it helps farmer making better decisions and reduce risk. As we move toward a future of sustainable and a tech-driven agriculture, I believe this project is a small but meaningful step in the right direction. Thank you so much for your time.